How to permanently add two subtitles to a video. Let's say I have a video and I want to add two subtitles to it. One is in English and another in, for example, Persian language. To do this, go to Tools and click on Join Subtitles. In the opened window, click on the Add button and select the subtitle you want to appear at the bottom. I want the English version to appear at the bottom and Persian version to appear above, so I add Persian subtitle after that. Now make sure files already have correct time codes is checked and click Join. Now you can see that the English subtitles appeared in first lines and Persian subtitles appeared after. Now let's open a video and see what happened. If I double-click on a line, you can see both subtitles. But there is a problem. Persian subtitle is from right to left, and the dot should be at left of the line. To fix this problem, select the first Persian line, and then hold down the Shift key and select the last line. Then go to Edit, and click on Reverse or Right to Left Start or End, and this will fix the problem. Now let's say, we want Persian subs to have another font. Just right-click on them and select Font Name, and choose the font you want. To change the color of them, right-click again and choose Color and select a color of your choice. At last, we have to burn subtitles into video. Just go to Video and click on Generate Video with Burn in Subtitle. Now click on Generate button and save the video. Now click on Open Containing Folder, and you can see that my two subtitles are correctly
Julia
added to video.
Always loved music, ever since she was a little girl.
Anyway
She would
guys,
sing
thanks for
along to her
watching and I
favorite
hope you
songs on
found
the
this
radio.
useful.